Today I'm going to be unboxing my order. I've ordered the Waterpik, Waterpik flosser. I've actually ordered two of them. One will be for my husband and one will be for me. So this is how it looks. Just received my Waterpik water flosser, which I've purchased, and I'm going to be unboxing it now. I've heard really good reviews on it, and I've actually bought two, for my husband and I. So please keep watching, and I'll be unboxing it to show you what it comes with. Open it. So as soon as you open it, you get the guy on the water flosser quick start guide, which gives you some information, which I'll later do a review on it, but right now I'm just going to be doing unboxing. Also get this little carrier, charging hub. The booklet. It also has a little container. A little container. I guess this will be for where you can keep the water pick rod storage. It's a tip storage case. And that's everything in the box. So we'll open this up to see what's inside this bag. It looks really good. This is the Waterpik flosser cordless advanced. This is the one that I actually thought that this is where you're going to put in the water. This is what it is as well. actually come with come with 4 of the water picks. So we've actually got the 2 classic jet tips, and we've also got the 1 Clark Seeker tip, and we've also got an orthodontic tip. I've actually purchased this because I'll be getting and then we got this one more, which I'm not sure what this is yet, but we'll later find out what that's for. So that could get stored in here. Travel bag, kickstart guides there. And this is the plug. There's actually Polo, so yeah, so this is unboxing the new Waterpik flosser at Cordless Advance. So this is everything that you would get in the Waterpik water flosser. This is an unboxing, and I will be trying it out, and I will be doing a review later after I've been trying it out.